Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 category of products. Like there's something from skincare, there's something for hair care, for makeup, for fashion and stuff like that. And these products are amazing and I feel you should definitely try them out. So if you want to know which those products are, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so for the skincare category, I have a range of anti-aging products and these are by the brand called Lotus Herbals. So this range is called as the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Restore Pack and it consists of 3 revolutionary anti-aging products. And these are the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Transforming Day Cream, the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Anti-Aging Transforming Night Cream and the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Youth Activating Serum Plus Cream. So these products are infused with the goodness of ginger and ginseng, which works really well at improving the skin's elasticity, leaving your skin visibly younger and smoother. Starting off with the first product, this is the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Transforming Day Cream. Now this is specially curated for combination to oily skin type and it is also enriched with SPF 25 and PA+++ for protection against sun damage which results in aging of skin, and it also comes with the breakthrough Geneplex Youth Compound which is derived from potent natural ingredients that is clinically proven for accelerated lifting, firming and protective action. The next product is the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Youth Activating Serum Plus Cream. Now this works on regenerating the skin cells and provides optimum hydration to the skin while also combating the signs of aging. And the third product, which is the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Anti-Aging Nourishing Night Cream, visibly reduces fine lines and open pores by nourishing the skin overnight, leaving you with an optimally hydrated and dewy fresh skin. So to use these products, first start off with the Lotus Herbals YouthRX Serum. So you can take 2-3 drops of this YouthRX Serum on your fingers and gently rub the serum in circular motions all over your face until it gets completely absorbed. Next, during the daytime, you can go ahead with the YouthRX Day Cream and use your fingers to gently apply the day cream into your skin. Start with circular motions on your cheeks and later you can apply on your neck area, forehead and T-zone. Similarly, during the night time, after you're done applying the serum, you can start applying the night cream in a similar manner and gently rub the cream onto your skin after you're done applying the serum. Again, start with circular motions and apply it all over your face, your neck area as well as your forehead. So this Lotus Herbals YouthRX range of products work really well for mature skin, or if you're someone who's like 25 years and above, then you can start using these in your skincare routine. So I've given the direct link to all of these 3 products in the description box below, and if you wish to purchase these products, then you can get them at a flat 10% discount by using my coupon code, which is this right here. But this coupon code is only applicable on Lotus Herbals official website. So yeah, if you want to check out these products, then please check out the description box for the links. Moving on to hair care, the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm currently loving is by Schwarzkopf, and this is the Peptide Repair Rescue Micellar Shampoo as well as the Peptide Repair Rescue Treatment. Okay, so this is the shampoo and this is actually for fine to normal damaged hair and it retails for rupees 900. Now I know it is a little bit pricey, but it's great for people who have like very damaged hair type, and ever since you can see how much I've already used, it's almost like half right now, and I've been using this since the past almost like 45 days I would say, and still it has just just become half. So price wise I would say, although it is a little pricey, but it would really last you well for at least like 2 months easily. And ever since I've started using this shampoo as well as this conditioner, touch wood, now my hair feels a lot more healthier. So yeah, even if you have like very damaged hair type, then I would highly recommend you try using this shampoo, this conditioner, as well as there is a serum also which comes in the same range. Try using these 3 products and I'm sure you'll find great improvement in your hair texture. Moving to fashion category, I have two products in the fashion category. Now one is a handbag, okay, and this is by the brand called United Colors of Benetton. So I had recently done a Amazon handbags video like haul, in which I had shown you 5 different handbags, but this one right here, literally is my favorite in that particular haul, and this is like my go-to bag nowadays because the size of this bag is so perfect. It's neither too big, it's neither too small, and it fits in most of my essential items really well in this. And you can see it's like a structured sling bag, which comes with this kind of a strap also, so it looks very nice, very classy. It will go with your ethnic kurtas, as well as it would go with your western wear also. Because of the color, it's like a beautiful tan color with this kind of a beige detailing right here, and like you can see it's like a classic piece. So currently this is like my go-to bag, and I carry this everywhere that I go. So yeah, this is one such bag that if you're looking out for a day-to-day purpose, then I would highly recommend you check out this bag. So I've given the direct link to this bag in the description box below. So please make sure you are checking the description box in case you wish to purchase this bag. The second product in the fashion category are these set of bangles. Now I believe I have shown this product in my previous Amazon haul also, quite some time back, I think almost 2 months back. Diwali time पे मैंने ये खरीदे थे, and you can see these bangles, okay. So these come in a set of 8 and these are priced at only ₹519. Can you guys believe that? एंड इस पर आप देख सकते हैं ग्रीन आ जाता है, ब्लैक है, पिंक है, ब्लू है, अगेन देयर इज अ मैजेंटा कलर, सियान कलर, येलो कलर एंड रेड कलर. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दीज बैंगल्स इज दैट इट हैज़ दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ वेलवेटी फिनिश, और ये ऐसे ही पूरा सेट के जैसा ही आता है. मतलब ये जो साइड के गोल्डन बैंगल्स है, बीच में जो आप गोल्डन बैंगल्स देख रहे हो ना, वो लाइक उसके ही सेट में ही ऐसे ही आता है. सो इट बिकम्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट. आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है यार, कौन से लाइक आउटफिट के साथ आप कैसे गोल्डन बैंगल्स मैच करोगे क्या. सो ये जो पर्टिकुलर सेट इसका भी लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. एंड फॉर द प्राइस ऑफ लाइक 519 यू आर गेटिंग अबाउट लाइक से 8 कलर्स ऑफ बैंगल्स विच आर लाइक which प्रॉपर ऐसे सेट्स में भी बने हुए हैं. सो इट्स लाइक टोटली वर्थ द बाय. So yeah, this was the next product in the fashion category. Coming on to the last category, which is the makeup category. So makeup में I'm going to be sharing with you all a lipstick which I'm also currently wearing on my lips. So this is by the brand called Mars, and this is the Won't Smudge Won't Budge Lip Crayon. And इसमें जो shade है is No Filter 03. It's the shade I'm currently wearing on my lips also. And you can see like इतना ज़्यादा beautiful ये shade है. It's like a almost like a brownish reddish tone mix shade, and ये एक ऐसा शेड है ना जो हर एक स्किन टोन पे अलग दिखेगा. मतलब डिपेंडिंग अपॉन, अगर आप फेयर हो तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क दिखेगा, मीडियम हो तो मेरे जैसा दिखेगा, एंड अगर आप लाइट हो थोड़े से तो हल्का सा ये और लाइट हो जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ब्राउनिश न्यूड दिखेगा आप इफ यू लाइक डस्की स्किन टोन गर्ल. बट ओ माई गॉड, द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस लिप क्रेयॉन्स आर सो अमेजिंग. इतना ज़्यादा क्रीमी एंड स्मूथ है, सी, एंड लाइक बहुत ही अमेजिंग लाइक पिगमेंटेशन है इसका. वन स्वाइप में आपको ओपे कवरेज मिल जाता है, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. मतलब अगर आप इवन इफ़ यू आर ईटिंग समथिंग लाइक वेरी वेरी ऑयली, बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आप ऑयली खाना भी खा रहे हो तो भी ये बिल्कुल बज नहीं करता है. जैसे उसका नेम है ना, वोंट स्मज वोंट बज, एग्जैक्टली इसका सेम फॉर्मूला है. एंड इट इज़ ओनली फॉर ₹229 गाइज. लाइक इतना ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइस है इसका. एट द सेम टाइम क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो रियली अमेजिंग. इसमें मेरे पास और भी शेड्स है जिसका मैंने ऑलरेडी एक स्वॉच वीडियो किया है, तो अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो मैं उसको भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक कर दूँगी अलॉन्ग विद द प्रोडक्ट लिंक ऑल्सो. तो यू कैन चेक आउट दोज. सो यू कैन चेक आउट दैट वीडियो. उसमें और भी ज़्यादा शेड्स के स्वॉचेस मैंने किए हुए हैं. सो या दिस वॉज द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इन द मेकअप कैटेगरी, एंड इसका भी डायरेक्ट लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. So yeah guys, those were all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.